Loong Shell uses a 7 mm filter, which makes a big difference to the flavor, but we can't buy a 7 mm cigarette roller anywhere in the world, so today we'll make one ourselves. First of all, we take the rod from the right side because there's a slope here, it's easy to take it off. Then we take two pieces of silicone tube. Its outer diameter is 8 mm and inner diameter is 7 mm, and they're both about 36 mm long. Then put some hand sanitizer on this rod to lubricate it. Insert from both sides. Okay, it's done. Then we put it back together. Let's put this side in first and insert it, and then press this side down. There's a slope here. It's assembled. Now it's a 7 mm cigarette roller. This silicone tube is easy to get, so go buy it yourself. Let me show you how to use the 7 mm cigarette roller. This is a filter with a diameter of 7 mm and a length of 27 mm. And when you fill it with tobacco, we have the action. Push the tobacco in the direction of the filer a little bit several times. Push, push. Don't put too much tobacco in because we have to control the suction resistance. The suction resistance can't be too large because its diameter is only 7 mm, very thin, so we do not make it too big. Suction resistance, moderate is enough. Please note that there is a difference between the 8 mm cigarette roller. We don't pinch it in the whole rolling process. This is different from the 8 mm cigarette roller. For the 7 mm, we don't pinch it and let it roll naturally, then dip it a little water. Roll it naturally, don't pinch it. Because we purposely make it fluffy, which is different from the 8 mm tutorials. For the 8 mm tutorial, we have to pinch the two rods. Please see my previous tutorial of 8 mm hand rolling in Loong Shell homepage. We don't need to pinch the 7 mm because the 7 mm is already very thin overall and we already have a good control of the suction resistance. We don't need to use this side of the tobacco to control the suction resistance anymore, so we can make it fluffier. That way we'll have a very smooth draw and very good flavors, of course. It's got to be very gentle draws. And that's going to give us a nice 7 mm cigarette. And then we'll try the suction resistance. We have to try it. The suction resistance is a little bit too high, so I'll squeeze the excess tobacco out. If some parts are hard, we'll squeeze it out. Okay, squeeze out a little bit of tobacco. Try it again. It's very good now. Rolling to 7 mm diameter can make a huge difference to the flavor of some tobaccos in the Loong Shell, so it's highly recommended to try.